The idea of an academic medical center was actually planted when we moved the teaching hospital to the main campus, that is NUH. Over the years, we can confidently and safely say that we have done quite a bit, made some landmark achievements, and put ourselves on the map. Building on this reputation, we should be able to stand tall among the leading AMCs in the world.
So much of what we did in NUH subsequently became the norm in the other public hospitals. And I suppose that was the main purpose of restructuring, to bring about change and along the way help lift the overall standard of hospital experience for all patients in Singapore.
The move to get international accreditation, such as JCI accreditation, has been a big step forward in ensuring that we put patient safety and clinical excellence as hallmarks of our care. Another big change in the way we practice is the introduction of electronic platforms, which allowed us to order drugs, to order tests in a way which is far safer and far more efficient than we used to do before. Faculty at NUS and NUH were privileged to have leadership positions in launching Singapore's biomedical drive. The formation of NUHS helped drive the research mission. We were able to develop a track system which allowed us to grow homegrown talent and bring in top international faculty. We had a transformational gift from the Yong Lu Lin Trust, which helped seed fund a lot of research programs which we could not do before. The development of the residency programs, as well as benchmarking ourselves with the best educational programs overseas, have all helped transform education here at NUH.
People who originally worked with us here in NUH, many of them have now moved into very influential positions. And this will actually enable us to collaborate together.
NUH is a place where I've learned much and grown, both professionally and as an individual. It was my privilege to start my career in NUH and to be given many opportunities to develop. First as executive in the finance department, looking after the computer services, later on as executive in the material management, and many years later as a COO and then CEO. I was blessed to work alongside and learned from many committed, passionate and competent professionals and great leaders. I treasure the time and experience in NUH, which has helped me better contribute to healthcare over the years, especially in the acute sector. And today, as I seek to contribute to the step-down sector, managing nursing homes and elderly services, I also treasure the friendships I've made in NUH, which have all enriched my life. NUH will always have a special place in my heart. Thank you, NUH.
All these stints working in bottom-up through NUH have been valuable learning experiences for me. I think it's made my life richer, more interesting, and has helped me to develop many personal qualities which I think have stood me in good stead.
All of us have a role to play, whether you are a doctor, a nurse, a support staff, or even an administrator. Every little thing that we do contributes towards our three missions of clinical care, research, and education.
Together with Professor Han Ping, both of us start up the lab in hematology and blood transfusion laboratory from scratch. I feel very proud to be part of the many firsts in NUH, like for example the first open heart surgery and liver transplant. NUH provide excellent training facilities, and also I have a team of very wonderful colleagues. Despite the long working hours, I was always having fun here.
I started off as a staff nurse, and I proudly claim to be the product of NUH because this is where I grow. Through the 25 years in NUH, it has been very exciting. I am very privileged to be given a lot of opportunities to try many different things. The work of the nurse brings me unspeakable joy as I know that I'm able to touch the life of many patients. NUH is like my family.
Part and parcel
of my life.
Where I met many nurturing people.
Place where I grow and learn.
Like a baby to me.
Like my child.
My hospital.
Where I play a part to make a difference in people's life.
Where I mature.
NUH rumah saya yang kedua.
Very much like my home.
My second home.